Ay mga kanayan, this is Aurelio Isip and welcome to Isip 9. So for today's topic, we will talk about the quadratic formula. I will create a separate video about deriving the quadratic formula from this standard form to the quadratic formula. I have separated video on this. But today, we will talk about solving the quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So what is our quadratic formula? So x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So example number 1, no? So x squared plus 5x equals 14. So kailangan muna natin i-change siya sa standard form, yung quadratic equation natin. And then we will go to find the ABC and then we will plug it into our formula. So kailangan natin ng standard form. So ang standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So plus 0 dapat yung nasa dulo, no? So magiging magma-minus tayo dito ng 14. Tapos magma-minus tayo dito ng 14. So, ang mangyayari natin ngayon, no? Ang equation natin ngayon, expression natin is x squared plus 5x minus 14 equals 0. Wherein, our a equals 1, b equals 5, and c equals negative 14. So, ayan yung ating tatandaan. Itong mga tatlo na to, no? So, what is our formula? X equals to negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So, ilalagay lang natin yun dyan. Tapos, i-simplify natin. So, kung ito yung ating formula, no? And then, so, x equals negative, what is b? 5 plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 5 squared, minus 4, what is a? 1, what is c? Negative 14 all over 2, what is our a? 1. So, ayan yung ating magiging expression. So, x equals negative 5. Ang uunahin natin na ito, no? Yung mga nasa loob. So, 5 plus square root of 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 14 is negative 56. Tama, di ba? And then, over 2 times 1 is 2. So, x will becomes negative 5. 5 to, no? So, negative 5 plus or minus square root of. So, 25, ito ay magiging plus na kasi negative tsaka negative. Pag multiply natin yan, no? So, ito ay magiging plus na. So, 25, lagyan natin 25 plus 56 na siya sa loob over 2. So, x equals, medyo mahaba, no? Pero titisin natin, plus or minus, what is 25 plus 56? So, 25 plus 56 is 81, no? 81 over 2, no? What is 81? What is square root of 81? So, it becomes negative 5 plus or minus square root of 81 is 9, no? Over 2. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng dalawang roots kasi nga quadratic equation, no? Magkakaroon tayo dito ng dalawang x, no? X sub 1 at x sub 2. So, yung una, yung x natin equals to negative 5 kasi plus or minus to, yung plus muna ang gagawin natin, no? Over 2 or the x equals negative 5 minus 9 over 2. So, ang mangyayari dito, no? Simplify lang, no? So, x equals negative 5 plus 9 is 4 over 2 or 2. Yung isa naman, no? X equals negative 5 plus negative 9 is negative 14 over 2 or negative 7. So ito yung dalawang x natin sa example number 1. So let's go to example number 2. Example number 2, no? 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 equals 0. Naka-standard form na to, no? So ang gagawin natin dyan, no? Pwede natin siyang i-divide ng 2 dito, no? Pwede i-divide ng 2 lahat to. And then, ang mangyayari dito is x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. No? Pwedeng ganyan. Pero pwede rin namang i-rekta na natin, no? I-direkta na natin. Kayong bahala. No? Kasi, ending nito, doon pa rin yung, yung ating magiging roots. Ayun pa rin yung ating magiging sagot. So, wag muna nating wag nating i-divide. Pwede naman yun, no? So, ang gagawin natin, yung a natin dito, no? A equals 2, B equals 8, C equals to negative 10. So, ito yung ating quadratic formula, no? So, x equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, no? Kung pwede nyo kabisaduhin nyo na, no? So, mangyayari dito, so, negative b, x equals to negative 8 plus or minus square root of 8 squared minus 4, what is a? 2, what is c? Negative 10 over 2, what is a? 2, no? Then x equals, dapat yan nasa gitna ito no? Yan. Tapos negative 8 plus or minus i-simplify natin yung nasa taas. So 8 squared is 64 minus 4 times 2, 80, no? Negative 80 over 4. No, tama pa ako, no? And then, ang mangyari dyan, no? So, x equals negative 8 plus or minus square root of, yung sa gitna, no? 64 plus, kasi magiging plus na to, no? Kasi negative, magiging plus na yan. So, ito ay magiging plus. So, 64 plus 80 is 144 over, that is 4, no? So, x equals negative 8 plus or minus, what is the square root of 144? Ito ay 12 over 4. So, ulit, magkakaroon tayo uli ng dalawa, no? So, una, no? X equals to negative 8 plus 12 over 4. No? Isa naman, x equals negative 8 minus 12 over 4. So, sisimplify lang natin yan, no? Negative 8 plus 12 is negative positive 4, no? So, ito ay positive 4 over 4. So, ito ay magiging 1, no? Ito naman, or, no? Or. So, ito ay magiging negative 20, no? Tama? Over 4. So, ito ay magiging negative 5. Kuha ba? So, let's go to example number 3. Let's go to example number 3. So, 2x squared plus 3x equals 27. Ulit, kailangan nating mag-standard form. So, magma-minus tayo ng 27 dito, mapupunta sa kabila. No? So, 2x squared plus 3x minus 27 equals 0. No? Kasi, 27, magma-minus ka ng 27, ganun ka rin sa kabila. So, yan ang ating standard form. Ang a natin dito, no? Ang a is 2, b equals to 3, and c equals to negative 27, no? So, hindi natin siya ma-simplify, no? Ma-divide natin bawat term kasi hindi naman divisible by 2 or hindi naman divisible by 3 o hindi naman divisible by 27 lahat. So, yan yung ating a, b, and c. So, kailangan nating malaman yung ating quadratic formula. So, x equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So, i-plug lang natin yung ating mga quantities, no? Yung mga value natin. So, ngayon, no? So, x equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared minus 4. A 2, C is negative 27 all over 2. What is A? 2. No? So, yan. Napasok na natin yung ating mga quantities, no? So, mga value. Okay, so x equals, negative 3 plus or minus square root of 9. Kasi 3 squared equals to 9. Minus, Bisaya. Okay lang naman, no? 4 times 2 times negative 27 is 216, no? So, negative 216 over 4. So, x equals to negative 3 plus or minus square root of. So, 9 minus, ito ay magiging, katulad kanina, no? Magiging plus to. So, pag pinag-plus natin yung 9, kaya 216, yan ay 225 over 4. So, x equals negative 3 plus or minus, what is the square root of 225? So, ang square root of 225 is 15, no? Over 4. So, magkakaroon ulit tayo na dalawang value rito. Yung isa positive, isa naman ay negative. So, dito na tayo, no? Sabi ko nga, isang plus, isang minus. So, x equals negative 3. Yung plus muna tayo, no? So, 15 over 4. So, ito ay yung ating or x equals negative 3 minus 15 over 4. So, x equals negative 3 plus 15 is 12 over 4, or ito ay 12 over 4 is 3, no? So, yung kabila naman. So, negative 3 and negative 15, no? Ito ay magiging negative 18 over 2, no? Ay, sorry. Negative 18 over 4. 4 siya, no? So, ang mangyayari dyan, no? Simplify natin. So, negative 18 over 4, or divide natin ng 2, negative 9 over 2. So, ito yung ating isa pang x. So, that's it, no? So, sana may natutunan kayo, no? So, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and then don't forget to click the notification bell para naman lagi kang updated sa mga susunod ko pang videos to. So, salamat, no? So, that's all. Good luck, soldier!